Hi everyone, hi friends, family, tastemakers, and posh partners. Today I'm creating a tablescape for breast cancer awareness for a small luncheon. And as an event planner and an administrative assistant and working in different capacities, sometimes I have been asked to create lunches and stuff like that. So this could be an idea for you, if you're a small doctor's office or an event planner, you want some ideas on how to have a nice luncheon and create a tablescape. I'm doing it at home. So I pulled out a few items, we're gonna see how good it looks, okay? And very seldom, and I'm in pink, and very seldom you will see me out of black, but this is my outfit cam for the day. It's pants too. It's not all that flattering. It's a sweatsuit, so Okay guys, so what I'm gonna start with is I have two of my handcrafted crochet placemats left, so I'm gonna use these. Okay, so these sold well, and I'm gonna keep the seating like this for now because we have some bar stools in the way, so as I move around I need that space. So I'm going to put down two. Isn't that such a pleasant color? I love making my own placemats. I crochet a lot, and especially for a glass table. Okay, so that was made by, I'm always saying everyone else's brand. This is by House of Renique. That was my crochet. That was my design company when I was like 10 years old. I created a design company. Okay, and here are some charger plates. These are so cute. Okay, family, here's the final look of my breast cancer awareness luncheon tablescape for 2023. And I got these satin napkins from, I think they were eFavor Mart. And the napkin rings as well. I thrifted these pink and these plates here with that beautiful pattern. They're by Swan. They're old school, and when I saw those, I was like, I had to have them. And they were very reasonable at Goodwill. The white plates came from Dollar Tree. The beaded clear chargers, eFavor Mart. The pink glitter chargers from Burlington. And then I made this what is it called, a placemat here. And that's such a pretty color. I love that. These, I had two of them left. I sell these. And then this pink wine glass came from, I thrifted that too from Goodwill. The candles all came from Dollar Tree. This vase, I fell in love with this vase. I thrifted that at Goodwill. It was 99 cents. These faux flowers came from Dollar Tree. They're just placeholders until closer to the day of the event. I'll get some fresh flowers. And so this is my overall look. Just a nice little luncheon place table setting for a breast cancer awareness luncheon at home. So if you got some ideas and some inspiration, I'm glad to hear it. And I would love for you to hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. By hitting that like button, that means that YouTube will get a signal that it's okay, that there's some good content over here, and so I can keep bringing you fun content. All right, so I want to thank you so much for tuning in today. And you take care, and take care of your health, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom.